Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and give a demo of my project. This is for Lab 4, and this is the Tightrope project. So essentially what's happening here is you have a character that's going to walk along this path as you rotate the Raspberry Pi. So let's go ahead and see. So as I said in my report, there's a bit of an issue when you're trying to do this virtually with the Raspberry Pi, because I mean usually you'd be able to see the top, but as you can see, like, the blue dot or the player is moving as the Raspberry Pi is being rotated. So let's see if I can get to that other part. And then down here at the bottom, what you can see is it's showing the pitch. It's printing out the pitch and the roll. So it's showing. Let's see, yeah, see there. Yeah, it's a little bit difficult virtually, but overall it does work. Whenever the player moves off of the tightrope, you can see that they do go back to the start. Okay, I might actually have it. Yeah, it's a bit difficult, but as you can see, the Raspberry Pi, as I rotate it, the character is moving in the direction of the rotation.